I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure iOS is current and your phone is restarted. This prevents background conflicts. Once done, enable notifications and live activities in settings so apps can push interactive content. Now, trigger a source, play music, start a timer, or receive a call, and watch the top area transform into the dynamic island. You do this because the system maps those live events into a compact interactive zone. It's the first step to using gestures and quick controls. You'll interact using simple, intentional gestures. Tap the dynamic island to expand the mini view and get quick controls. Tap again to collapse it. Hold long press for additional options, like skipping a track or seeing caller details, because developers expose more actions in the expanded state. If multiple events appear, swipe left or right to cycle or dismiss secondary items. Make sure to practice these motions so you can fluidly switch between compact information and the full. Finish by customizing which apps can use the dynamic island. Go to Settings, refine notifications and live activities per app, and use focus modes to limit interruptions. Once configured, test common flows, calls, timers, navigation to confirm behavior. If something doesn't appear, restart the phone, then check the app's notification permissions. Sometimes toggling live activities off and on fixes it. One key troubleshooting tip: if the island freezes, close the triggering app and reopen it. That usually restores interactive updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.